IVM.
All right, Lanso time. Cricket fever is back. People are going berserk all over the country and beyond because in Dubai, in UAE, we have the IPL, whose name we cannot mention by law on any sort of broadcasting thing of our own. But we have Abhijit Ganguly. I say we. I don't know why I say we because it's just me here. So I have Abhijit Ganguly joining me, one of India and Delhi's finest comics, who during lockdown has been doing shows from his cupboard and keeping people entertained. But Mr. Ganguly, you are also, like the other Ganguly, a great cricket fan. You don't have the power he has, but you do have the love.
Of course.
So let's talk quickly about, we're into the second week now. And you could say, after just maybe the first match or two, we've forgotten about COVID. It's all about the game.
But it's so brilliant, no? That's the power of sport right now. I know, like, COVID, GDP, everything. For some time, it just takes you there. And when you're watching that match, you're just all excited. And this non-stop super over after super over is also helping, obviously.
3 super overs. I was just thinking, if you just go back to that 223 run chase, Rajasthan Royals, unbelievable against the run of play, managed to win that. But the Tewatia moment in that was, there were two moments, the Puran catch, or not catch, the save, let's call it the save, which was just unbelievable. It's going to stay forever in your head. And then this kid, Tewatia, no one's talked about him much, but Zubin Bharucha, the real coach, told me that this is the boy to look out for. And he took 20 balls of plowing around, looking like a fool, people calling him names, even Sanju Samson not taking a single, trying to retain the strike. But he then explodes in those 5 balls. In those 5 balls, COVID just disappeared for me. It just disappeared. Because where did it come from?
And that story itself, it's such a great story to see that a person, whole Twitter, everybody is just like going at him, like this is like, what is he doing? Calling him names and all that. And suddenly just turns it around and in a matter of 5 balls. And it was so beautiful to just watch it.
And he literally went in 6 minutes from zero to hero. In 6 minutes, he became the toast of Indian cricket, and everybody knows his name now. Everybody knows his village, where Surdas comes from, and apparently it's one of the villages the Kauravas gave to the Pandavas before the battle. So, it's now all being highlighted. Who would know this? You would never know this.
So now, Amit turned another comic, he cracked this joke. His innings is for sure going to be there in so many motivational speaker videos. Just his innings is for sure. So many people are going to make money out of just his innings and everything.
But let's hope he performs after this, because if that's going to be the only great innings, it'll be a real tragedy. But I think it'll just change you. I'm just thinking from a cricketer's point of view, once you hit 5 sixes of Cottrell, who's one of the best bowlers in this format and has had a very decent career in Premier League and was one of the better bowlers on display so far, and definitely in the first half of that game, you destroyed him. And where did it come from? Firstly, because it looked like 2 guys played. One guy batted till 20 balls and the next guy batted the next 10. It's just ridiculous.
And it's such a confidence thing because most of these sports are just I mean, it's a very shitty comparison. I'm playing badminton these days with a bunch of society friends. Society people have just come to know it, and they are much better than me. And you start getting conscious the more, they are like, if you're not playing good, everything is such a confidence thing. So for him to be in that nadir of confidence, Sanju Samson refusing a single to give, and from there to just come up and
I know what you're saying. You're playing baddie with these guys and you're wondering if they're looking down on you because again you hit the ball into the net. You hit wide. You served wide twice in a row. And they're not being rude like actively, but passively they're being slightly, like, oh bang, so kahan se aage chutiya. That kind of feeling is there. So that same feeling, you're right. And amplify that feeling to what he's feeling on an IPL stage.
What he's feeling at IPL
He's been carried by that outfit for 3-4 years and many people will say, usko jaane do yaar, usko karte to nahi. Kya potential hai usme? Because potential is potential only till such a time when you perform. After that, it's just another guy with potential.
Exactly.
So I think he reached that exact point, where you can say that line, that Lakshman Rekha or whatever, that one line where it's over. His career may have been over. He wouldn't have played. His own uncle said, agar us innings mein out hua 20 ball ke baad, he would probably not have played again for that outfit and he may have been dropped and he may have disappeared. But just something happened. This is why I believe in romance and karma. Something happens, some destiny, some naseeb, something. Somebody reached out from up and touched his shoulder or something and boom, another guy turns up. And then after the second sixer, you could see the blood in his eyes. It was like he's the wolf on a hunt and the whole body language changed. And my God.
And you knew it. Once he hit like two sixes or something, you knew that it's going to be like one of those overs.
Yeah, you knew it. You just said this guy. This is why we love the game, boss. This is why we love the game. Just these stories. I think deep down we always support the underdog. And Tewatia was the underdog. I think you cannot fault the underdog. You want him to win because he's you. You're that bloody failure. You're thinking, maybe wo failure. This is me. Come on, perform. Because I can't, you can. So it's superb. So I think
these stories, it's like all these, like even yesterday's match, Saini, the bowler, I was just reading up about him, that how he, like from very humble background, used to jog to his training grounds 11 kilometers away. He would, and that was his exercise. And then his trainer, he would kind of feed him and all that. So all these stories, probably even for that moment when he's just at that point, you're thinking about all those things, like what you have gone through.
Can you imagine Saini's run-up? Saini's run-up was 11 kilometers and 22 yards. Yeah, we would do all that and then bowl the ball. So, I mean, he really had pace even as a young kid. Yeah. But one last thing, is a short show. One last thing, Virat Kohli, 3 failures, didn't do well, but he had the guts. And this is why I love the guy. He had the guts to come in for the super over. I mean, that just shows you a real leader, a real warrior. There's no form, no momentum, but you don't want anybody else to take that, chop of having to, because it's like a penalty shooter. There's luck involved in 6 balls. You swing the bat, whatever people say. But he came and took it up front and said, I'm the guy. I will face the bowling. This is my problem as the leader of the team. I really appreciate that. What do you say?
I know that's very much Delhi attitude also, a little bit of Delhi coming out, but he putting himself out there, although he's in a bad form. But that's Kohli as it
and then
gets.
Again, but upar se kuch hua. Somebody touched the shoulder and last ball pe he got the boundary. He still didn't look good to me, He's still not Virat of old yet. Yeah. But somehow the other, you see, in English they say fortune favors the brave. And I think that's perfectly amplified by this one performance. But I've really been enjoying the cricket. I've got to tell you,
COVID. And Bumrah is a tough bowler to play, especially if you're trying to make some runs. Thank God they just had to make like 8 runs. But
and there's a lot of ego involved. This is Bumrah, the best bowler against the best batsman. At least the best in our country, arguably also in the world, but definitely in our country. So look at the ego. I mean, come on. Whatever people say, it will be like if Amitabh Bachchan is acting along with, let's say, Dharmender in a film. In the old days, there's 2 pillars of the thing. There's got to be that rivalry. So similarly here, that was the match within the match.
For that matter, even Rohit Sharma, they respect each other, but there's definitely that thing.
So
that
we enjoyed more. You're right. Because that goodness there, that little edge is there. Superb. Anyway, listen. I'm getting aroused talking to you, so I want to stop now because all this talk about cricket, only you and I are reaching a common place. But let's just say one thing that thank God for sports here. Really, thank God for sports. And if we ever have another Bimari epidemic in this world, please God, keep the sports going. We'll die, but let us die watching Tewatia hit the ball for 6.
That was the worst thing of Corona. We could have dealt with the lockdown much better had there been some sporting action going on.
Like seriously. I told my mother, if there's a bridge tournament, you find out, you tell me, I'll go and watch it. I was that desperate here. What to do? But really. Okay, one quick last question as we end. Abhijit Ganguly, who's winning the IPL? You've seen 10 days. In 10 days, what's your estimation?
I really think Rajasthan Royals has a decent chance. Yes. Rajasthan Royals, yes. Rajasthan, definitely.
Same team. And not just because of Tewatia, because of Zubin Bharucha, the real coach. He's from my community, so show some respect. We're Indians, we have to support our own people. No? That's how we work. Right.
Absolutely,
cheers. Yes. Abhijit, cool. Sorry, I have to walk my dogs. Cheers. Is that okay?
Yeah. No, right. Absolutely fine. And it was great. Good fun again. All right, bye, Cyrus. Take care.
Bye-bye. Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Don Bradman, and now Cyrus Brocha. Okay, probably not in the right company. I mean, Don Bradman is Australian. But it's called Cyrus Says, a wonderful show about everything. Find the show on the IVM Podcast app, ivmpodcast.com, or wherever you listen to podcasts.